Hey everyone, on this week's Mondays with Megan, we're going to look at a really fun iPhone tip. It's really cold out, the weather's not great right now here in Columbus, Ohio, so I wanted to share something that was warm and cute and hopefully brings you some joy this week. So, when you hold down on the subject of a photo, you can have the option to now add to stickers. From there, you can add effects to those stickers. So you're essentially creating a compository of all your favorite pictures with the background removed, hence creating stickers. So I'm going to run you guys through a quick demo using a great picture of my super cute dog, Mac. So I'm going to hold down on Mac, I'm going to click Add Sticker, and then from there, in my compository of stickers, I can click on the different pictures or different stickers, and you can even add effects to those stickers. I hope this is a fun way to bring some joy to you guys this week. For more tech tips, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and as always, if you have questions, reach out to me directly at megan@easyit.com. Have a great week, everyone.